wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are giving the drugstore products some love today because they've been coming out with some bangers. If you guys want to see a drugstore makeup look, let's go. Okay, first thing is the e.l.f. liquid poreless putty primer. e.l.f. is literally one of my favorite drugstore brands. And it's crazy because like I've been around for a good minute with e.l.f. Like when I was just having this conversation, when I started wearing makeup, literally the options were like Maybelline Fit Me, and like everyone was $355 or $350, whatever the shade was. A little L'Oreal. Of course, you know, like there was the option of e.l.f., but if you've been around for e.l.f., you know that they have done a major upgrade in the last, even you could say the last decade. Like they definitely, you know, put some thought into it, and it is paying off for them, which is why they're one of my favorite drugstore brands. But like back then, I feel like those really were the options. Like Revlon Color Stay, basically what you would just walk down the aisle in the drugstore, Walmart, Target, and see on the shelves. Like that's what I had to choose from. Like that's what I knew, right? Because at that point I didn't know anything about MAC, NARS, stuff like that. And when I think of e.l.f. in the past, I'm so sorry, the first thing I thought was ashy. And not even like ashy, but just like dull. I think that's a better word, dull. Like the shades, the products, and the packaging is the same, but like somehow it still seems better now for e.l.f. But you know, that's what you need to do as a brand. You need to put your products out, get feedback, and grow from it. That's what happens with a lot of brands. They don't. A lot of brands stay on the same products. They're like, I saw a Stila the other day. I was like, oh, okay. If something you release in 2024 looks like something you released in 2014, there's a problem, okay? e.l.f. took it, ran with it, and look at them now. Foundation today will also be e.l.f. the new Soft Glam Satin Finish Foundation in the shade 53 Deep Neutral. I'm not doing anything today. It's just this video, so not actually gonna be seen in this makeup, but y'all remember these NYX Pro Fix sticks that I talked about earlier this year? Yeah, don't sleep on them. I'm gonna spray my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip before I blend that in. What was I saying? Oh yeah, don't sleep on those sticks. They've got corrector shades and concealer shades. They are very nice on the face. They blend in really nice. Again, NYX is one of those drugstore brands. Like I don't need to like go back and forth, question it when I try their stuff. I know I'm usually going to like it. And that's what we love. We love affordable but effective. You know, I like to blend out everything first, like, you know, get it moved on my face and then go in and actually like blend it all in. Cause you know, some of these products, you ain't got that much time to work with. I just realized I don't have any drugstore powder, like at all, which is crazy to me. I know I decluttered before I moved, but I didn't think I didn't have any drugstore powder, so skip that part. I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand to contour today. Looking out the window. L'Oreal Infallible bronzer in the shade 500 Dark. Now that I think about it, do I have drugstore blush? I should. I should have drugstore in every category of makeup. But I'm really trying to think what drugstore blushes that I have. We about to find out. Yeah, I don't have any drugstore blush, so I use these Huda Beauty, blush filters. Yeah. Gonna go ahead, take this off, and then spray my face down. So y'all remember when I did the L'Oreal video on the L'Oreal setting spray, and I was like, I wonder how this would wear if you wear it with the e.l.f. Power Grips. When I tell y'all my face has not been moving when I go out, you see I put it on earlier in this look. Those two together, all right, I always got a break. Now why I feel like there's not much left in here. I ain't used that much. Why I feel like it's playing with me? Like, y'all hear that? Okay, my lashes are a drugstore. They are the Remy 778s. So when you see this little fluffy, fluttery, yeah. I swear I be seeing stuff as soon as I start filming, or as soon as I press record. They are my favorite, I forgot what I was saying for a second. They are my favorite lashes, and for my lips, this NYX Duck Plump, literally the most intense lip plumper that I've ever tried. And I've tried a good amount of them. Now, mind you, the Fenty one, you can feel something, the Buxom, the Too Faced, but this one, the most intense. But I started getting, did you get lip filler comments? So it does what it's supposed to do. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. Just a simple reminder that it does not need to cost an arm and a leg for your face to look beat. It's been a minute since I've used that e.l.f. foundation and the NYX concealer, and I'm like, that's what's fun about makeup. You know, you put product aside for a minute, then you come back to it and you fall in love with it all over again. So that is it for this video. Everything I use will be linked in the description down below, and I will try to remember shades because I'm realizing I'm forgetting to tell you the shades that I'm using while I'm going along. Let me know some of your drugstore favorites in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.